In this video, I want to show you how to ride a dirt bike when you're not feeling it. What's up, Rad family? I'm Dakota Freeman, and welcome to the Rad Adventure Dude channel. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, make sure you hit that and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future dirt bike riding tips. It's going to happen to all of us when we're out riding on a track and trail and we're just not feeling it. So how do we fix that? Have you ever just woke up in the morning and not felt like riding? How do we get over this and start feeling better before we go ride? If you're ever in a situation where you're just not feeling it when you're riding, make sure to drink water. Drinking water and rehydrating your body could be a great way to help you get through whatever you're going through. Rehydrating our body can help us be not as fatigued, and if we're feeling kind of off, it can really help regenerate our body and make us feel a lot better. So drinking water is a great way to help your body start feeling better so you can feel it when you're riding. I know for myself, I'm not a big eater when it comes time to ride, but sometimes if you snack on something or find some sugar, I'm not a big fan of sugar either. However, sometimes if you get a little bit of sugar in your body, this can actually get your body kind of pepped up and feel a little bit better as well. Natural sugars are great for this as well, so you can actually eat an apple, a peach, or whatever fresh fruit that's available for you, because that natural sugar is really going to help kickstart your body and get you feeling better if you're not feeling it. The next part of this is going to be to simply just get on your bike and ride. I guarantee you, as soon as you get on your dirt bike and fire that thing up and you start riding, you're going to be feeling better instantly. Just getting on the dirt bike kind of gets that adrenaline going again, loosens you back up, and really makes you feel a lot better. So if you're just not feeling it before you go riding, well, just try getting on the bike and riding for a little bit and just see if this helps you feel better, and then get out on the track and trails and have a great day. Even if we're not feeling it when we're riding, we can actually just focus on our riding position, focus on having fun, and take the rest of the stress out of riding. If we're feeling stressed out or anything like that, then we're doing the wrong thing when we're dirt biking. Dirt biking is all about fun and making sure that you have a good time. So if you're not feeling it when you're out dirt biking or riding, then try to take a step back and make sure that you're having fun while you're riding. If you're having fun when you're riding, then the rest is going to come to you naturally. You're not going to have to fight your body position or anything like that. And when you're having fun, you're going to be getting seat time on your bike as well. This is going to help you get better on your dirt bike, which in turn is going to make sure that you have more fun and really get comfortable when you're riding. Depending on if it's a hot day, a cold day, a lot of this can add in to us not feeling it as well. So being prepared for these different situations is a great way to help you feel it when you're out there riding. If it's a cold day, put a hoodie on and put a layer on under your shirt. That way you're not cold when you're out there riding. This is really going to help you feel better and be more comfortable when riding on colder days. Or if it's really hot outside, make sure that you're wearing gear that's rated for that. Make sure you're wearing a jersey and pants that is very arid and allows your body to breathe. Getting airflow through our jersey and pants is going to be a huge part for summer riding when it's really hot. And this is a great way, if you're not feeling it, to really help you out on a hot day. And if you're still not feeling it, then, not every day is for all of us. We can always take the day off, even watch our friends ride, and enjoy what's going on. If you're not feeling it, you know what's best, and you should never really force it. If you're not feeling great, then maybe take the day off. I really hope this showed you a couple ways to help your body feel it whenever you're out there riding, if you're not. However, your body knows best, and for some reason, if you're just not riding the best that day, don't force yourself to go ride, and realize that you can take the day off and go next time. Sometimes this is very hard to do as we're being peer pressured into riding on certain days, and if your body's not feeling it, don't get pressured behind this and just take the day off and say, hey, I'll go with you next time. If this video showed you how to ride a dirt bike when you're not feeling it, well, make sure you like this video, drop some comments down below, and ask me any other questions that you have. If you're looking for more riding tips, I'm always here. I've made a full dirt bike course over on my website. It's going to walk you through being a complete beginner and take you to an advanced rider mastering the tracks and trails. I also give away a free dirt bike guide over on my website. Just sign up for my newsletter and I'll send it straight to you. Make sure you click the subscribe button that's right here and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future dirt bike riding tips. After that, you can watch my next video right here. Stay rad, and I'll see you over there.